I've mentioned before how customization is really important to our customer, especially when it comes to stamping and to being able to make your own stamps. And so we have a brand new product line here. This is called our Stamp Forge Studio, and everything comes together in a kit. So you're gonna have success right out of the bat, and you're gonna be able to make your own custom stamps. So let me kind of talk you through what you get and how it works. So basically you're going to get our Stamp Forge Studio lamp. This has a timer built in. It's a UV lamp, and that is going to work with the photopolymer plates. So you're gonna get a bag, a silver bag, because these are light sensitive. So when you do this, you're gonna wanna do it in a dim room. But you're gonna get these photopolymer plates as well as these vinyl sheets. So let's take a look at these simple steps. 1, you're going to design your stamp. 2, you're gonna cut out the vinyl on your electronic cutting machine. This is the shield that's gonna block the UV light. 3, you're gonna layer everything together, your photopolymer and vinyl in your clamp, and put it into the light with a 3-minute timer that's built into the tool. 4, you're gonna take the photopolymer plate and you're gonna wash it under water with this included scrub brush. This is gonna wash away everything that was covered by the shield and reveal the lifted stamp. And 5, you're gonna stamp your project using the included precision press or however you wanna stamp your projects. And there we go, we have our customized stamp. With this precision press, what's great is if I feel like I didn't get great coverage, I can just line it up again and repeat the stamping process knowing it's perfectly aligned. Again, it comes with everything you need to have complete success. This retails for $74.99 and is shipping in May.